Day one, my big adventure, my journey on Appalachian Trail, starting in the state of Georgia and going northbound all the way to state of Maine, roughly 2,200 miles through 14 states in the nature, with myself by myself, meeting other people, but starting this journey solo. So it took 2-day driving to get from Connecticut to Georgia. Derek drove me, so we were in a car Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday the plan was to start first thing in the morning, but somehow the hotel was almost 3 hours away from Amicalola State Park where the approach trail starts. So my start was late. I started at 1:47 p.m. on April 11th, and I had orientation by two rangers where they basically told me that my plan was too quick, too soon, that I cannot be going 15 miles a day from the very beginning. So my first shelter would be closer than I had anticipated. So the first day I'm going approach trail, which is climbing staircase, looking at beautiful Amicalola Falls, and then going to Springer Mountain. And the lesson at Springer Mountain shelter was very, very simple. Instant gratification is just an instant gratification. When I got to shelter, I had run out of water in my last 2 to 3 miles. So all my focus was just to get to the shelter and get to the water. And when I got there, I didn't want to pitch the tent. I wanted to sleep in a shelter. And that was my first night, and I did not sleep at all. I had quite an experience with mice. They were basically running the shelter, and we were just a bother. I took a loft. I know now not to take a loft because I guess they like to be upstairs. And I was basically up all night shining flashlight and mouse faces, and they just like sitting in my backpack and looking at me, or sitting in a pocket of my backpack and looking at me. I was rather annoyed. So on day 2, wherever I get, I'm pretty sure I will be pitching a tent. Doesn't matter how tired I am. It's a long journey. It really is starting kind of wordless for me. Like I have no words, no vocabulary to describe what's happening. It's a lot of different emotions, and I know that it will at some point will crystallize and focus, and I will have words for it, but right now it's just the beginning of something big.